Restaurant-style creamy white sauce pasta without cream and ready in just 10 minutes. Perfect recipe for beginners. 1 cup pasta, 2 tablespoons butter, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 cup milk, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, oregano, ½ cup cheese, some mixed vegetables. Boil pasta in salted water until soft. Save ½ cup pasta water and set aside. In a pan, melt butter and sauté garlic for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add flour and cook for 1 minute on low heat. Now slowly add milk while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Add salt, pepper, chili flakes and oregano. Cook until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Add boiled pasta, vegetables and a little pasta water. Mix well. Add cheese and cook for 1 more minute until perfectly creamy. If you love quick and easy recipes like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly meals.